Close your eyes. Imagine sinking into the warm embrace of a 250-year-old oak, strong, timeless, full of history. Wolfgang Armchair is crafted from European oak trees that have stood for centuries, their fine grain and natural beauty shaping a seat designed for both comfort and character. With its gently bent seat and curved back, it's not just a chair, it's a story, a connection to nature, a timeless presence in your space. Every line, every curve is intentional. Designed with a timeless elegance, Wolfgang Armchair blends Scandinavian simplicity with Italian craftsmanship. A piece that doesn't just fit a space, it elevates it. The ergonomic design provides optimal support for long periods of sitting, while its lightweight yet sturdy structure ensures ease of use in any setting. Express your style. Choose from a curated selection of fabrics, leathers, and wood finishes to create a piece that's uniquely yours. Because true luxury is personal. Whether in a high-end lounge, an intimate dining space, or a stylish office, Wolfgang Armchair adapts effortlessly, a timeless presence in every setting. Some chairs are made to be used. Wolfgang Armchair is made to be lived. Take a seat. Feel the difference.